Some are created from storms. And from missed targets, felling or falling a tree. How should you plan and take them down safely? Make sure your work area is clear of all co-workers and you've looked around for any hazards that might exist. Notches and hinges can be used to control the movement. Small pieces, notches open enough to allow the material to move the distance you need, making sure the hinge doesn't have any resistance. Hangers can be directioned by the angle and position of the hinge and notch. They should be removed in small sections. Always cut below shoulder height and utilize that hinge to maintain control. Any Dutchman in the hinge or bypass causes resistance and the hinge and notch can't work. It can cause rapid movements. A lot of times people will try to just slash things down. But when that happens, you don't know whether it's going side to side or back or forward, and there could be hang up in the top.
All right, so one thing here too. When I start cutting limbs off this as it comes down, y'all come over a little closer now.
Make sure that notch meets so that it can maintain hinge control. Large trees are sometimes best taken by equipment. But sometimes equipment is not available or accessible to the area. So large trees can be removed with basically the same techniques. Always remove the root ball first. That's done with a notch and a hinge, just as if felling the tree. Allow the root ball to go back to its original position, and then you can remove that hinge. Once it's to the ground, then use the notches and hinges to be able to maneuver. Bore cuts can be used, release with more control. Small sections below your shoulder. Watch your cut pieces to make sure you're in the right position. Plan every cut. Know where it's going. Where are you going?
When we were talking about reactive forces, if I come up here and I'm tired and I hit this, what's going to happen? It's going to come back in my face. So I don't want to start throwing the saw up here. If I'm going to cut something up high, like vines or limbs or whatever, I turn the saw sideways. So if it kicks, I'm out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay? You always want to remove those limbs as you go because they can come down and hit you.
Hangers happen, so make sure you plan them properly. Remove them safely. Unplanned events, that's what we want to try to reduce. So this is Tim Ard wishing you good sawing.